Welcome to my channel. I'm Key. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower top. It includes how to crochet the flower and how to join the flowers together while you crochet and lay out of this crochet top. Now we crochet the flower first. Today we doing a different magic circle, and let's magic circle down and make 12 single crochets in the magic circle. I just made 12 single crochets here. Pull the yarn tight and snip stitch to join to the first stitch. Chain 3 and make 2 double crochets from the following stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, chain 3, snip stitch to the following stitch, chain 3 again, make 2 double crochets in the next stitch, chain 3, snip stitch to the following stitch, and chain 3 again, make 2 double crochets from the following stitch, and chain 3, snip stitch to the last stitch. The pattern here is chain 3 and make 2 double crochets from the next stitch and chain 3 again and snip stitch to the next stitch. So please follow the pattern and finish the round. Now we finish the last chain 3 from the 6th petal and snip stitch to join to the first stitch here. Chain 1, and this is how you make the flower. So following, I'm going to show you how to connect the flower while you crochet. Instead of you finish all the flowers and collect it together, you can do that way, but it normally end up with so many ends that you need to weave in. So for collect one flower, you finish 5 petals and chain 3, and now you make 1 double crochet, pull the hook out, insert the hook to the petal that you want to connect, and knit double crochet stitch. There's 2 double crochet stitch there. Pull the yarn over the stitch and chain 1. Now back to the flower to make the rest 1 double crochet in the same stitch and chain 3. Snip stitch to the first stitch to finish the round. Chain 1. Now you can cut that yarn off and weave in the ends. Following, I'm going to show you how to connect 2 petals at the same time. So we finish 1 petal from the flower and chain 3. Make 1 double crochet for the next stitch, and insert the hook to the petal that you want to connect. Insert to any double crochet stitch, pull the yarn over the stitch and make chain 1, and back to this same stitch make another double crochet, and chain 3, just crochet like normal and snip stitch to the next stitch. The next petal, we're going to connect to the petal from the other flower. So chain 3 and make 1 double crochet for the next stitch and insert the hook to the petal that you are going to connect. Pull the yarn over the stitch, make chain 1 and crochet the double crochet back to the same stitch. Chain 3, snip stitch to the following stitch, and that's how you connect 2 flowers together while you crochet. Here I just crochet 1 double crochet, and if you got another flower need to connect, you connect here and then back to the stitch to make another double crochet. Chain 3, you just crochet like normal, but collect whatever you need to after the first double crochet. The way you collect would be exactly same. So there will be the place that you need to collect 3 flowers at the same time. Then you start from the first petal, make first double crochet like normal, and now you collect to the first flower. The way to collect will be exactly same. I'll just show you more time to make sure you get how to do it. Chain 3 and back to snip stitch to the next stitch, and chain 3, make a double crochet from the next stitch, and collect to another flower. Chain 1, make a double crochet in the same stitch to the other double crochet. Chain 3, snip stitch to the next stitch, and chain 3, make a 1 double crochet from the next stitch, connect to the third flower, chain 1 and make double crochet to the same stitch. There will be 4th or 5th flowers, then you do exactly same way. This is the layout for the size S. Everyone's size will be different. I suggest to use one of your top to measure the size. For the side here, I crochet 1 single crochet from the petal and chain 3 and 1 single crochet on the other petal and chain 7 between 2 flowers. So chain 3 between 2 petals and chain 7 between 2 flowers. You can collect those sides as well. I didn't collect it at the time because I started another project. Well, that happens. I hope you learned how to crochet this top. Please like and subscribe for more free tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.